Quiz makers can be a pain, but I think I found one that is not only easy to set up, but it has all of the professional look, security, and auto grading that you can need. Today I'm going to be showing you ProProfs Quiz Maker and why it's becoming the #1 online quiz maker, not only because it's easy, but fast. Let's get into it. So let's be honest, many quiz tools like simple form builders are okay for the polls, but when it really needs a assessment, they lack in auto grading, security, certifications, analytics. And speaking of professionalism, if we just go and do the sample quiz, you can see that they have some great options here and a way to branch your questions. So a lot of great options to really customize your quiz. ProProfs Quiz Maker is great for people that want to create quizzes, exams, certifications. They have hiring tests, school assessments, so all sorts of things that you could be using in your daily life. And that's why over 50 million people have used this for taking their quiz. They're beloved by companies like Sony, like Dell, LinkedIn, Yale, DHL. So all of these major companies. It's wild. ProProfs Quiz Maker is an online platform that really just creates secure quizzes and assessments with AI or templates. It's made for quizzes, exams, employees training tests, school assessment, hiring tests, and more. They have over 50 million quiz takers, and they're loved by brands like Sony, Dell, Cisco, DHL, and Yale. But it is a great tool to use where you can use AI. You give AI a topic, a PDF, a Word document, PowerPoint, a YouTube channel, and it automatically creates quiz questions with answers. So instead of just building everything manual, this tool will simply review and then publish. That saves massive amounts of headache and time. So ProProfs Quiz Maker makes it really easy to create quizzes. Like I said, you can use AI. And all you have to do is just drop a PDF, a document, a text. You can upload websites, YouTube channels, whatever. It's pretty sweet, and it will generate the quiz for you. And as you can see, they have all sorts of templates, and they range from just a input. So if I go to use this template, you can see they have all sorts of different types of questions, from bullet points here to a single bullet point. I think they have some advanced features that you can add. Yeah. But all sorts of, they have radio buttons. So all sorts of ways you can customize your, they have so many different types of quizzes. They have multiple choice, they have true, false. They have fill in the blank, essay, ordering, drag and drop, and probably like, I think over 20 different types. So like essays, video response, they have image questions. So all sorts of different ways to quiz your students. So if your quizzes are important to you, then security is important to you. ProProfs has built-in features into their quizzes like webcam screening. You have their proctoring. You have screen recording, IP tracking, browser extensions. There's just so many tools that they've already built in. Like they even have a browser lockdown, which I think is pretty neat. One of the features I like on the ProProfs Quiz Maker is that the ability to see your grade instantly. So this shows an 87.5, and they just passed it what time. And so this is a quick way to show reports both to the students when they get their grade back instantly, but also to the instructor who sees kind of a pass-fail at a quick glance. ProProfs Quiz Maker is for HR teams, for schools, teachers, coaches, health coaches, all sorts of different people who would use it, such as recruiters. We have businesses, course creators. There's just so many opportunity for all of those in the industry of sharing information. And check this out, they do have a free plan, so 10 lessons for growing businesses. Check it out for free. You're able to really give it a good verdict if it's something that would make your life easier. There's no credit card required. You can create a short quiz today and test the platform out for yourself. And if you want a quiz maker that is just easy to use, offers 70 different language supports, is powered by AI, secure and professional. This is great for businesses and educators. So ProProfs Quiz Maker is one of the best options available today. You definitely want to check out my link in the description, and I'll see you guys on the next one.